Unmoderated versus moderated UX studies. Our study builder gives you the option between conducting unmoderated UX studies or moderated UX studies. Both types of studies are effective and can help you gather a variety of insights about your brand's overall customer experience. But each has its own set of caveats. Let's go over the ins and outs of unmoderated studies and moderated studies. The biggest difference between the two types of studies is that in an unmoderated study, participants will take the study on their own without any help or guidance. The user will run through the series of activities that you've created. This will show up as a hovering overlay box while the user takes the test. On the other hand, in a moderated study, there will be a moderator guiding you through the study. It may not be necessary for a moderator to be present in some studies, but in other cases, having a moderator can help draw insights they may not otherwise be uncovered. Choosing the right type of study will ultimately depend on the complexity of your study and what you want to achieve from your specific study. If you choose to conduct a moderated study with your participants, you will have to select your moderator's availability and create open and available sessions. Your moderator can either be a professional from your team or a Userlytics expert. Once invited participants confirm when to complete their study, both parties will receive reminders prior to the date and time of the study. After completing either an unmoderated usability study or a moderated study, you will have access to the full video and survey question results, be able to share access to specific projects with clients and colleagues, and download videos, quantitative metrics, and survey results for your own reporting format. Now that you know the difference between the two types of studies, you're one step closer to unlocking the power of UX with Userlytics. Analytics tells you what. Userlytics tells you why.